All right, let's do it. Make sure that this thing is right. Okay, cool. Sniper Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and of course I am back with another video for you head top. Hopefully everybody is doing great today. As you can see in the title and the thumbnail, we have the Air Jordan 1 Mochas here for a full review and on foot. Now, it is not a surprise to anybody that's watching this video that the Air Jordan 1 Mochas has to be at least the best Air Jordan 1 that came out this year, or it could even be the best general release Air Jordan of 2020. I'm gonna let y'all discuss that down below in the comment section. But if it's my opinion, when it comes to general release, it do have a few things that can kind of, you know, work against it. But if I'm looking at how the sneaker community is kind of responding to the Air Jordan 1 Mocha, it has to go to the Mocha, bro. And I mean, it's tough, but I think it's the best GR of 2020. So today we're gonna get into a full unboxing review and on foot of this sneaker. Very excited to have this in the collection, as you guys may know. I am doing a giveaway with my homie, A Sneaker Life. So if you want to enter in the giveaway for the Air Jordan 1 Mocha, just check out the link down below in the description of the video. Other than that, man, here we have it, the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. We got mail today, bro. We got mail from Hibbett Sports. Let me say it again, Hibbett Sports. Hibbett Sports have been a huge supporter of my channel for a while now. I mean, they technically hooked me up with just about all the upcoming sneakers that's been coming out for the past year. Now, I know it seems like it's been forever since the Hibbett package came in. That has a lot to do with the release date of the Air Jordan 1 Mochas that's releasing October 31st for the retail price of $170. Every time these boxes come in, bro, it just lights my heart up. I ain't gonna cap y'all. I know I love me some sneakers, man. I love Hibbett. You guys definitely need to check out Hibbett as well. I am leaving a link to Hibbett Sports down below in the description, and I'm also leaving their Instagram link over there as well. And a lot of y'all told me that y'all hit on the Hibbett raffle. These are available on the Hibbett Sports raffle. Actually, when you watch this video, it will probably be a little bit too late because they already chosen a winner. But you can get shoes like this, Air Jordan 1s, even Yeezys, all of those hype things that we love in the sneaker community, you can find over at Hibbett Sports. So make sure you check them out. Here we got the Air Jordan 1 box. It's no different from any other Jordan 1 box. It's completely regular degular black and with the red Nike branding on top of the box. Now, very quickly as I open this up, I do want to tell y'all, man, I'm hearing a lot of chatter about these compared to the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scotts. And what's kind of weird about it is we gotta be honest, okay? Let's just be honest. Wow, here we have it. I mean, this is your Air Jordan 1 Mocha. I mean, it's a beautiful, great shoe overall from top to bottom. I can't really see anything wrong with this shoe. Now, as I was saying previously, like, people are comparing this to the Travis Scott Jordan 1, and I think nobody's really being realistic. So everybody's saying it's not a poor man's Travis Scott. It's his own shoe. It's like a separate entity. I mean, like, really, bro? If we're gonna talk about it, let's talk about it, okay? I'm not really thinking that this is his own entity, okay? This is a poor man's Travis Scott. And for anybody who disagrees, I would just say, look at the market, okay? The market doesn't lie. Just because the shoe's a poor man's Travis Scott does not take any value or kind of, you know, distract us from the point that this is a good shoe. But if the resale value of this shoe is solely because of another shoe, then it's a poor man's. You get what I'm saying? The resale for this shoe completely, and I do mean completely, relies on the resale of the Travis Scott 1. So, I mean, if you look at it like that, there's no really other way to put it. I know y'all want this to be its own separate shoe. If it came out and it was black and yellow, you would have a point. This is the same colorway of the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott. Some people even say y'all like it more. Whether you like it more or like it less doesn't mean that the resale value of this shoe is not determined by how good the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott was. That is why it's a poor man's. It's fine. I told y'all. I have the Royal Toe Air Jordan 1s. That is a poor man's frag. I have this and I have the Travis Scott 1. It's not a down, it's not like a bad thing, but it is. Nike knew what they was doing, bro. Trust me, like, they know. As well as with these, we got the Air Jordan Mocha 3s. I just like the Mocha colorway. I'm not gonna lie. Mocha is pretty much a nice earth tone vibe that you can pretty much rock with just about anything. The suede material here is pretty good too. Let me show y'all this wax on, wax off type material. You see how the color change? That's always a good sign of some good suede on the material of the shoe. Now, these will be hard to get. I even thought about doing an actual how to cop on the Air Jordan 1 Mochas, but it was a little bit too late, and I didn't really want to put that out there. I seen like a lot of videos out there on that, and I was a little late, so I didn't drop that. But for instance, I'm hearing there will be a lot of pairs available. Okay, that's true. But y'all gotta know, there's gonna be a lot of people wanting these. I've never seen so many people really cloud to a shoe like this. And that's how I usually know which shoe is gonna be good and which shoe is gonna be bad. And what I mean by good and bad, I mean more of like what has the tendency to sell out and what has the tendency to sit. You can just tell when like the surrounding date, when the release date of a shoe is up and coming, just check out the response it gets from the sneaker community and you'll know if that sneaker is worth getting or if you can pass and get it later. There's no way you can pass on this. There is literally no way you can pass on a sneaker like this. I'm telling y'all, you will regret it later. You will have to pay more for it later. I would definitely say get it now. Do everything you can to make sure that you guarantee a pair for you or whoever you want. Get it now. It's fall time too. Like, look at this, bro. It's a perfect fall sneaker. You know what I'm saying? These earth tones make this shoe completely fall worthy. And like I said, bro, it's one of the hottest commodities of 2020. I believe the other pair has the lace swap, which is the white laces. I've seen a lot of photos of the white laces, and I'm not gonna lie, they look pretty clean with the white laces, man. The white laces really completes this Air Jordan 1. And if you ask me, I think I'll be making that switch to the white laces. When I do the on foot, I'll probably have like one of each, just to see what y'all like. That'll be pretty much to you know, let y'all decide which one y'all want to do, more of like a display. But when it's time to actually throw these on foot, I think I'm gonna go double white laces, or more like a sail, because the midsole isn't white, it's more like a sail. But I believe like the laces are a little bit lighter than the midsole, which would make it a white. So yeah, I'm definitely going to lace swap these and go with the white. Comment down below and let me know what laces are you going to choose to rock with your Air Jordan 1 Mochas. I definitely want to know. Some people even grab laces outside of the lace bags and just do their own thing. I've never been one of those people, but if that's what you do, then let me know. I'm responding to all the comments down below. So right now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and lace these up, throw them on foot, and just see how they look, man. I've never threw a pair of these on foot, and I'm actually excited because I mean, it is the shoe of the year, as I said. So I'll be right back in a second. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, you guys, that is the end of the video, man. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys head over to Hibbett Sports, check out and see what they have. They got everything, just from sneakers, even equipment. They even got clothing. I know a lot of y'all probably don't know that they linked up with City Gear, so they even got a crazy amount of gear that you can get to go with the sneakers that you chose. Also, let me know, what laces are you rocking with? Do you like the white laces on these Air Jordan 1 Mochas, or are you one of the ones that just like the classic black look? Regardless, guys, let me know down below. I'm super excited to have these in the collection, and I know whoever hit on these is super excited too. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. The goal is 100K. Remember, at 70K, the new merch is dropping. This is the old merch. It's out of here. It's over. It dropped over a year ago. 70K new merch will be out, man. I cannot wait to do that, and I'm looking forward to it. Until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.